Have you ever heard someone say, "It's raining cats and dogs"? No, animals aren't falling from the sky, it's an idiom. Idioms are special phrases that make English colorful, fun, and natural. Welcome to Plain Simple English. Here we learn real English in simple, natural ways. If you enjoy lessons like this, please subscribe, like this video, and share it with friends. Together, we'll make English not just fluent, but expressive. So what are idioms? Idioms are phrases whose meaning is different from the words themselves. For example, break the ice doesn't mean smashing frozen water. It means starting a conversation in a friendly way. Idioms help you sound more natural, like a native speaker. Let's practice some common idioms you'll hear every day. Piece of cake, something very easy. Example, the exam was a piece of cake. Hit the sack, go to bed. Example, I'm tired, I'll hit the sack. Under the weather, feeling sick. Example, I'm a bit under the weather today. Repeat these sentences aloud with me. Idioms often express feelings. On cloud 9, very happy. Example, she was on cloud 9 after getting the job. Butterflies in my stomach, nervous. Example, I had butterflies in my stomach before the interview. These idioms make your English more human and emotional. Imagine you're talking to a friend. Instead of saying, I'm very busy, you can say, I'm swamped. Instead of I don't understand, you can say, I'm lost. Idioms make conversations shorter, friendlier, and more natural. Choose one idiom each day. Use it in 3 different sentences. For example, piece of cake. Say, cooking is a piece of cake. Driving is a piece of cake. Speaking English will be a piece of cake. This daily practice builds confidence. When you use idioms, people enjoy listening to you. Your English sounds less like a textbook and more like real life. Idioms connect you to culture, humor, and everyday speech. So remember, idioms are the secret power of English. They add color, emotion, and fun to your words. Start small, practice daily, and soon idioms will flow naturally. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Plain Simple English. Comment below, what's your favorite English idiom? Together, we'll make English simple, natural, and full of life.